In this video, we will apply some of the concepts we have learned till now by solving a complex problem. We have two parallel lines. Let L1 be y equal to mx plus c. This is very popular form of writing a straight line. In this form, we can clearly see the slope of the line. If the line would have been y equal to 2x plus 3, its slope would have been 2. Additionally, we can also get the y-intercept from this form. This line's y-intercept is c. Now let's think what can be the equation of the other line L2 such that it is parallel to L1. It will be y equal to mx plus d. Notice the slope of both the lines are same, m. The question is, can we find the shortest distance between these two lines? Yes, we can. But before we begin, we need to think of a path we need to take. First idea is of shortest distance between the lines. A shortest distance between these two lines will be the perpendicular distance between these two lines. And how can we find this length? At this point, let's revise what we have learned till now. If we take a line L3 perpendicular to these two lines, we can find this length by finding coordinates of these 2 points. Notice the slope of the line L3 perpendicular to these lines is negative of inverse of m. We can find the intersection of two lines by simply equating the two linear equations. Now the constant in L3, k, can be anything. By changing k, we are just changing the y-intercept. But this length still remains same. So for ease, we will take k as 0. L3 now passes through the center. Now this length is basically the difference between the lengths of individual lines from the origin. This reminds us that we have already learned how to find the distance between a line from the origin. But instead of using the formula, we will try to solve it again. You are free to go ahead and use the formula to find the distance between these two lines. But remember to check your answer. Here we can find the point of intersections as these. If we apply the formula of distance between 2 points, we will get this length as mod c minus d by 1 minus m square. So this is the distance between two parallel lines. From the previous relation, we get the coordinates of the intersection points as minus cm by 1 plus m square, c by 1 plus m square, and minus dm by 1 plus m square, d by 1 plus m square. To convince yourself, try to do it yourself. Now if we simply apply the formula of distance between 2 points, we will get this length as mod c minus d by 1 plus m square.